UTS University has over 42,000 students and over 3,500 full-time staff. Security is really important for UTS. Our brand is very important, and we spend a lot of time to ensure that we are protecting our assets and our websites properly. NTT were able to help us with penetration testing, so before we go live with our web services and new sites, NTT provided a service around penetration testing to ensure that those sites were properly tested and ensure that before go live, everything was mitigated and we had a secure platform. Internet threats are always evolving and changing. There are always new threats almost daily. Having a partner like NTT help us to guide us to help ensure that these penetration tests are performed regularly and that things are kept up to date ensures that we have the best possible chance to protect our data from threats.